I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. I'ma take their risk. If she with me,
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, then welcome. This is my, YouTube. Don't be shy, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. We're gonna be doing a lot of beauty, we're gonna be doing some fashion, we're gonna be doing some hair, we're gonna be doing some vlogs, a little bit of everything. So yeah. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a Pretty Little Things try on haul. I did get some things, kind of for fall, whatever. I live in Alabama, so like fall really don't I live in Alabama, so fall really don't start to like end of October type thing, like beginning of November, for real, at least like, cold enough. But anyways, that's neither here or there. So yeah, I'm gonna try some things on for you guys. I got a little bit of all types of sizes because I am a small. I'm 4'11" and I weigh like 120 pounds. But I do also like for some of my clothes to fit a little big, a little baggy. So I got some smalls, I got some mediums, I got some zeros, some twos, Yeah, I know my hair looking a little crazy today, but just overlook it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This is a two-piece, a Pretty Little Thing two-piece like lounge set. I got this in the medium just because I didn't want the top to be like suffocating me, and that was a bad idea because it's like sticking out. And then the shorts are not fitted either, which I don't really mind because they're flowy, so that's nice. But I will say that this is very like ill-fitting and uncomfortable because it's thicker down here. Like I wanted it to be like this. Look at all the extra space. But yeah, that's my own fault because I got a medium in this. I love this. Okay, so next I have a two-piece jogger set. This is in a size 2 and I absolutely love, like, this fits exactly how I want it to fit. It's not a size. I probably just stretch this with my head, like I always do this. But the top isn't too like tight, the pants aren't too tight. I do still got my Pretty Little Thing shorts under this, and the color is super cute, so I like this. Yup. This is cute. I like this. Yeah. So next is this like bodycon dress. I believe I got this in a size 4. I could put this on with like a duster or like a little jacket of some sort, blue jean jacket, any type of leather jacket, whatever. And I say that because I got this because it was on sale, so it's not really fall like, but we can make it happen. Next is this little stone rib, just like plain dress. This is a size 4. That red dress was actually a size 2. So this is a size 4. This is just something like to literally throw on to go to the grocery store. I mean, you could dress it up too. Your friends want you to come over, just something light. Dress it up, dress it down, something light. Here is another t-shirt dress. This one is also a size 2. It's a little bit bigger than I expected it to be, but I don't really mind. Like, I like to be comfortable. I like a comfortable size dress. I know I look really weird on camera, I feel like, but I like this. So here I have a blue jumpsuit.
These slippers $12, okay?
why. Look at these. Oh, these fit so terribly. So the shorts are a size 4. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I feel like I probably ordered a 4, but I feel like I probably ordered a 2. But I'm not going. It's a 4 and oh, maybe I ordered a 4 because I was like, I'm gonna be done got thick by the time I bring these out next year. Because these are shorts. So it's gonna be for next year, but this is like not cute. Yeah, and the top is a medium. I had to get me a little black crop, you know. Okay, so these are size 2, which I don't understand because these are like still bunchy right here, but they're really hard to get on. And then the 4 we just think is obviously too huge. Like, why? Like, I hate like this right here. So it's like they don't fit well, but they're not fitted either. They're not fitted. Okay, so I'm obviously having trouble with the bottoms. Like the 4 shorts are too big. The 2 in the leather pants are like, that was hard to get on, but they just bunched up. Like, I didn't like that. And then these jeans are a 0, so, oh my gosh, I can't fit these. I can't. I'm not gonna be able to fit these. I already know it. Look at the bottom of these. Just buy regular. Okay, wait a minute. I don't even know why I bought skinny jeans, because I have too many skinny jeans. Okay, so these are size 0. A size 0 in the pants. They don't bunch up too much, so I'm not mad at that. But I did get skinny jeans. And I kind of feel like I'm going to be leaning towards, well, I want to lean more towards like flare jeans. But I'm short, so flare jeans are always a problem. I have to find them in shorts. Like, you know, the short length or whatever. And these are acid wash. I don't own any like acid wash jeans, but I do own a bunch of dark jeans. But these are cute. These are different. I have this basic New York tee in an extra large. Perfect for if I want to wear it as a dress, or perfect if I want to wear it like this with some jeans or with some joggers. I can tie it up, you know, do whatever. But I needed a gray top, a little nice little gray tee. And next up we have this orange crop, little sweater crop top. I can already tell that I'm gonna wear this more than I probably should, because it's comfortable. It's just a little, you know, it's just a little baggy. And the color is perfect. The length is perfect as well, because I know I can wear it with high waist, or I can wear it with some joggers pulled up a little bit. I like this, and this complements my skin really well. So this is not fitting nowhere near how I wanted it to fit or was expecting it to fit, but I also don't have a problem with it because it's still, once again, a little baggy. So I feel like I could low-key like loosen it up and kind of do it off the shoulder a little bit. I'm not mad at this, and this is comfortable. Like, I feel like this is actually gonna keep me warm, you know, if I have a shirt under it anyways. It's actually gonna keep me warm. Like, it's not too thin or anything. It is actual sweater material, you know? Yeah. Now, I really just don't believe that I ordered a size 8. That's what size these are. I don't see myself ordering a size 8 at all. But it's like they're baggy, which is fine. But an 8, like I should have. I'm pretty sure I ordered a 6. No, I don't. I had to have ordered a 4 or a 6. An 8. I feel like I didn't order 8. But that's what size these are. An 8. And they don't bother me. Let me put on. Alright, so I got this baby girl shirt. Baby girl shirt in a size medium. So it's a little, you know, oversized as well. And I did plan on wearing it with these. So, you know, this is kind of what I was going for. I'm not hating it, but I don't remember ordering a medium. Okay, so next I have this onesie that I am obsessed with in gray. I couldn't zip it all the way up, but I absolutely love this. Like, this is too cute. This is giving me brunch vibes, but you can also wear this out. Put this on with like a leather skirt. Put it on with some white jeans or some light jeans. This is super cute. I should have got more tops like this. Like, I'm actually feeling myself in this, but I like to be comfortable most of the time. Like, I dress pretty casual, not basic, but pretty casual and simple. This is cute. I'm enjoying this. And this is in a 0. This kind of like brown mocha one-piece onesie, razorback onesie, and it came in a 2-piece with a nude one as well. And this is just something casual to put on with some jeans. You can't even see my bottoms. This is the more nude one. Okay, so I also threw this like really big jacket in there. Okay, so yeah, I got this oversized sweater jacket. Like, look how comfortable this is gonna be. It's like a, ooh, it's so comfortable. It's like a walking blanket. It's like a blanket for a jacket. I like this. And it's cute, and it got a hood on it. So, you know. Comfortable. Okay, on top of that one, I did also get like, why am I talking? On top of that one, I also got this like windbreaker jacket as well. This one for when it does rain, and it's black. You know, I had to get them in black, y'all, because that's my life. Has a drawstring. It has a little pocket. This is no, it's this white cotton. But yeah. You know, just throw this on too. Oh, it's raining. Can't put on your cute rain jacket because you look busted. Just put on a little black one. Just throw a little black hoodie on. All is good, you know? So I did also get a few accessories. I got some socks. I put most of my socks up already, but I got some little baby pink socks. I got some like baby purple socks. Baby purple. I got lavender socks. I got these like longer white socks and thicker. I got some black ones that got PLT on them. Don't feel like retrieving them. I got some gold hoop earrings that got caught in the mix somewhere. And I got 2 hats. I got like this olive color. I think it's probably called khaki. And then I also got this gray one that has kind of gotten a little flat. You know. Little hat vibe. Little hat vibe, you know. So that is going to conclude this video. I will be sure to link everything down below in the description box. And I'll be sure to like put my sizes on the screen so y'all know, even though I said it about pretty much everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you can see my next haul and my next video and tutorial and all those good things. I appreciate you guys for stopping by with me, and I will see you guys in my next video.
When she with me, them other niggas is stink. And now with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She wanna roll it, she